Hello friends, this is Albert Pinto with you once again and welcome to my channel. Today I am covering the Harvalem Falls, Goa, also known as the Harvalem Waterfalls, Sankeling, Goa. Welcome once again to my channel. And this is the way you have to go to the waterfall. Well, going down is easy, but coming up is quite tiresome. Another hidden spot in Goa, beautiful, calm and scenic too. Great spot for family outing and photo shoots. The timings are from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. on all days. The government has also developed a park at the waterfalls where people can sit peacefully and enjoy the waterfall. And little ahead, as you go, you can find the Arvalem caves and the Rudreshwar temple. The Rudreshwar temple holds importance for the Hindus who believe in releasing the soul on the 12th day after the death. And here I give you the sound of the waterfall. Enjoy that. Well, the location, the place is away from the mainland. The closest village is Bicholim, which is about 9 kilometers, and Sankeli, which is about 2 kilometers. Well, the distance from Panjim is about 30 kilometers. It's a beautiful waterfall, as you can see the water cascading from a height of 24 feet approximately. Also, if you want more details on Harvalem Waterfalls, please visit my blog GoamyGoa. I'm giving the link below. Please do click on the link and take full information about Harvalem Waterfalls. Well friend, thank you for watching my video. I will be coming up very soon with another video, another hidden destination or the beautiful tourist spots in Goa. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel because I keep coming with a lot of videos. Take care and bye bye.